Hi, I'm Jeff, the founder of Now. Now is the most powerful way to get hired from your own website in seconds. Today, service business websites give visitors an overview of what the business does on the homepage, and then most often leads them to other pages to describe specific services or the team history, etc. A contact page or phone number is how customers begin conversations with the business. Customers have found, however, that they're looking for something very specific, and they're spending a lot of time searching on our website to find that. Sometimes it's service information, but most of the time it's because they have a specific need and want to hire someone. The typical route of a customer is to search around a site, find the service they want, and then try to locate some type of pricing. When they're unable to, they're likely to fill out a contact form or call the business. But then almost always they leave. This way leads to more jobs lost than won. Now look at what happens when we add Now to your website. A visitor sees your site, but when the Now Hire window opens up, the visitor can see the services they want, they see they can get it super fast, and they see the price for an hour, or for a specific service, they also see the people who will do the work. In other words, they see what they came for and click Hire to get it. The business can accept the job, and the customer can communicate and track it without ever leaving the site. Now it's simple to use. You control how you respond, the jobs you take, and customer interaction. And there's no cost to use Now. We add 10% to your offer unless you want to use cash. This is better than the home service sites who charge for contacts and leads and keep your pricing and brand hidden. Sign up with Now, and you can be up and running in a few minutes. And you can change the speed of your own sales from your own website.